So I'm Jiwon Hwang, a CFO of Lablup. So I will presenting the Lablup's vision and growth strategy behind Backend.AI. So just a quick summary for our company is that currently Lablup builds products that make it easy to operate and scale AI. Yeah, so we actually established 10 years ago, and then our current number of employees are 44, but most of our employees are developers. The key thing is that we are the first and only NVIDIA DGX ready software in Asia Pacific regions from 2021. It is only one of the 18 worldwide currently, and then we are managing over 16,000 plus GPUs on our platform. And we have more than 100 plus customers in various industries. We are based out of South Korea, but also we have a US headquarters in San Jose. So back to 2015. So we set up this vision when we established our company. So at the time there was no AI. At the time there was only machine learning. But as you can see, the whole system, machine learning code itself is a very small part of the whole system. We have to solve very complex issues behind the code itself. So our CEO, Chang-Yu, he is a PhD of statistical physics. So he at the time manages over 1,000 plus GPUs in his computer lab. And our CTO, Jun-gi, was the PhD in computer science for GPU network layers. So at the time, they were really experienced that kind of complex issues, and they want to resolve those kind of issues. So our company name Lablup comes from laboratory plus upgrade. So yeah, this is our vision when we established it. And nowadays, ChatGPT, AI services like ChatGPT are changing the world. So as you know that, so the model gets bigger, and every year the computing needs are exploding 4x every year. So, but as you can see, the infrastructure to back up that those kinds of computing needs explosion, it is quite important these days. But there are so many bottlenecks behind there. So interconnect bottleneck, cooling and power limitation, utilization efficiency, and scheduling and scalability issues, observability and telemetry, and then these days data security risks are also increasing. And also operationally, cost. As you know, the cost of GPUs are exploding, and the power. So these days, one rack needs 2,050 kilowatts per one rack, and every day new AI models come out, and the fast changing tech. So operational complexity is really, really increasing these days. So to solve these kind of problems, we developed Backend.AI, which is enterprise AI infrastructure operating platform. So our core tech is the container level fractional GPU virtualization technology. So I will show you a little more detailed slide for this. So for container level GPU scaling, we are assigning slices of CUDA, SMP, and GPU RAM to containers. So for example, if customer has 3 GPUs, the 2.7 GPUs can be used for training, and the remaining 0.3 GPUs can be used for inference. So there are several key competitive edge compared to the other technology. So it is compatible with all GPU models across range of CUDA versions, and no code changes required for user programs, and no need to modify and rebuild deep learning frameworks, and it supports multi-GPU workloads with fractional allocation in one container. So it gives real efficiency and also maximizing the performance. And another core tech we have is that we developed our own GPU orchestrator. So it supports multi-tenant and multi-node. So per multi-tenancy means that per user and per project resource quota and RBAC system, and also multi-node perspective, individual job can be shared across multiple GPUs and containers and nodes. So it really gives real scalability. But not just that, but also we are also supporting some advanced networking technologies such as RDMA and GPU direct storage. And also we are not just NVIDIA AI accelerator GPU, but also we are supporting diverse AI accelerators such as Intel, AMD, Rebellion, Furiosa. And then we also support air-gapped, on-premise and cloud, and even hybrid setup. So diverse environments, we are supporting that. So we have another various features, but the result is very, very clear. So lower capex by maximizing performance and lower opex by reducing power consumption. So it really gives some efficiency and also maximizing performance. So our core platform or technology is under the infrastructure layer. So as I mentioned, so we established 10 years ago. So in the half of our journey, we focus on this kind of infrastructure layer. But as you can see that these days, the global market for the AI world is changing to inferences and also services. So now we are expanding our ecosystem to whole AI, MLOs, or inference and services area. So I will cover this part later. So that layer is our future strategy. So we are developing appliance software that can run any model or anywhere, and which is gives the developers affordable and convenient AI services for Bali, Bali Square, and Balang, and continue. So Bali is our next one of the platforms. So it is some inference platform for the developers can just focusing on AI services. So it is also integrating with Hugging Face and also NVIDIA NIM. So it is easily access to public models. And Bali Square is scalable Bali dedicated hardware appliance. So it gives some flexible expansion. And Balang is feature suite specialized for LLMs. So it also integrates with fine-tuning and chatbot UI to help customer to launch their LLM services. And Fast Track is end-to-end MLOps platform for enterprise AI operations. And these are our recent new services. So AI Doll is a next generation platform that lets users develop and deploy AI services through natural language. So it enables anyone to prototype and build AI products easily. Backend.AI Continuum is kind of intelligence failover system for mission critical AI. And fine-tuning is no-code based fine-tuning on Backend.AI cloud. So summarize, I just want to focus on that. So now we are not just for the infrastructure core part, now we are providing vertical integrated platform from infrastructure to services. So thanks to this kind of technology, we are the first and only NVIDIA DGX-ready software in Asia Pacific regions, and also we are supporting Integraph for Rebellion, Furiosa, Tenstorrent, and AMD GPUs, and also we have some very close partnership with diverse storage partners and also cloud service providers. So we have three business models. So open source our key policy or philosophy, but our main revenue stream comes from enterprise B2B license. So our pricing model is annual subscription per number of GPUs. And cloud AI platform as a service is also a little interesting for us is that we are working very closely with CSPs such as Korea Telecom Cloud or NHN Clouds. So their basic platform for their AI service platform is ours. So we can reach out to clouds to clients and also enterprise clients. So yeah, that's our references. So we have enterprise customer like Samsung Electronics, Korea Telecom, Hyundai Mobis, and Bank of Korea, and Samsung Medical Center. So as you can see, we have clients in finance or healthcare or defense. And one of the largest single site we have has their 2,000 plus GPUs they have. And globally, yeah, we established our US headquarters in this January in San Jose, and we recently successfully completed our POC with University of Southern California Advanced Research Computing team. And overall, we have reseller partners in UK and US and Japan and European Asia, and yeah. And then we have overseas clients in Thailand, UK, and Brazil. So I just want to, before finalizing, I just want to highlight some current AI trends. So these days, yeah, AI paradigm is shift from train time to task time compute. So inference dominates resource use. And as you remember that in this earlier of this year, the rise of low cost and high efficiency models like DeepSeek has come down. So it means that advanced reasoning means that massive compute demand are needed, requires. So data center efficiency and scheduling become more critical. And another part is that as a nations or worldwide, sovereign AI is quite important theme for these areas. So to answer those kind of trends, we are ready for Backend.AI is cutting waste from high-cost hardware using our platform. So we are the industry-leading container-level GPU virtualization, and also we give some fully vertically integrated platform from OS to UI, and then we support multi-node and multi-tenancy. And then as a company-wise, Lablup is ready and proven AI infrastructure company. So we are one of the Korea's largest GPU management platform. And also we are working with heterogeneous GPUs and accelerators, and also give some storage partners and networking partners very closely. And one example is that, these days, except China or USA, sovereign AI is quite important theme, because as a nationwide, how to keep their infrastructure or data or AI model is quite important. So I think that we are ready for this support sovereign AI. So we are selected one of 5 consortiums, Korean's flagship national AI initiatives, which is National Frontier AI Model Project. So now on our platform, we are managing over 500 GPUs for this project. And also we work with Thailand JTS group when they build their Thailand LLM project. So our founders are, as I mentioned, all PhD in computer science and physics and biophysics. So they have more than 20 plus excellence of this machine learning and computer science. And we are very powerful solution engineering to support the technical supports as an enterprise level. So we've been made AI accessible, and now we are ready for make AI scalable. Thank you.